And I also realized that there is surprisingly an analogy between gastric band surgery and being busy. So the gastric band surgery of being busy is after undergoing gastric band surgery, people's risk of suicide tends to go up. That's perhaps unsurprising because gastric band surgery is a big deal and can sometimes have complications, infections, painful outcomes. But one of the unseen reasons for this increased suicide risk is actually due to the surgery going right, not it going wrong. So you understand gastric band surgery, lots of complications, infections, painful outcomes. It going right can have as bad of an impact on people as it going wrong. Many patients used food as a way to deal with issues in their lives, emotional challenges, loneliness, anxiety, and after having their stomach shrunk, the ability to use food as a comforting crutch has been taken away, but the emotional challenges that they were using food to deal with still remain. So the coping mechanism has been taken away, and it forces patients now to face their issues without a release valve. And I think that there is an equivalent dynamic happening when you try to elevate your life to take your sense of self-worth from things other than your work and your level of busyness. So the question here is, what happens when this coping mechanism gets taken away? You are forced to face your issues without the highly distracting release valve that you're used to. The busyness anesthetic that you used to previously rely on has now been removed, leaving you with two choices. Number two, actually learn to handle emotional discomfort without distracting yourself with work. It's a coping mechanism. What are you hiding from? You're hiding from something. And even if you're not hiding from something, you will have hidden things by being that busy. Where do I take my sense of self-worth from now? How am I going to deal with not being able to hide emotions in sweeping them under the rug of bravado and momentum is a good way to think about it. And there's this idea from Ryan Holiday that says, be quiet, work hard, and stay healthy. It's not ambition or skill that is going to set you apart, but sanity. And that sounds fantastic, apart from the fact that working hard often stops you from being able to remain sane, especially if you push it.